Ladies and gentlemen, top 3 rare and valuable USA 1-cent coins, the 1959 no-mint mark 1-cent penny. This coin is not just a piece of currency, it is a time capsule, a symbol of transition, and a treasure that holds immense value for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Let us embark on a journey to uncover its story, its significance, and the reasons why it is so highly sought after. The year 1959 marked a pivotal moment in the history of United States coinage. It was the year the Lincoln Memorial design was introduced on the reverse side of the penny, replacing the iconic wheat ears design that had been in use since 1909. This change was made to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, and the new design featured a detailed depiction of the Lincoln Memorial, symbolizing unity, freedom, and the enduring legacy of one of America's greatest presidents. The 1959 penny, therefore, stands as a bridge between two eras, making it a historically significant piece. What makes the 1959 no-mint mark penny particularly special is its rarity and the circumstances surrounding its production. Coins without a mint mark were struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which was the primary mint facility at the time. However, due to the transition in design and the limited number of coins produced in the early stages, the 1959 no-mint mark penny is considered a key date in the Lincoln Memorial series. Its scarcity, combined with its historical importance, elevates its status among collectors. But why is this coin so valuable? The answer lies in its condition, rarity, and the story it tells. Coins that have been well preserved, with minimal wear and clear details, are highly prized. The 1959 no-mint mark penny, especially in uncirculated or mint state condition, can fetch a significant price in the numismatic market. Its value is further enhanced by the fact that it represents a moment of change in American coinage, making it a must-have for serious collectors. Now, let's talk numbers. The maximum value of a 1959 no-mint mark penny can vary depending on its condition and the demand among collectors. In pristine, uncirculated condition, this coin can command prices ranging from $500 to $2,000 or more. In some cases, exceptionally well-preserved specimens with unique characteristics, such as full red luster or striking errors, have been known to sell for even higher amounts at auctions. The value of this coin is not just monetary, it is a piece of history that continues to appreciate over time. For those of you who may have this coin in your possession, consider yourself fortunate. You hold a piece of American heritage that is not only valuable but also deeply meaningful. The 1959 no-mint mark penny is a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of the U.S. Mint, as well as a reminder of the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln. Its value extends beyond its price tag. It is a symbol of pride and a connection to the past. If you are a collector or an aspiring numismatist, the 1959 no-mint mark penny is a coin you cannot afford to overlook. Its rarity, historical significance, and potential for appreciation make it a worthy addition to any collection. Whether you are looking to buy, sell, or simply admire this coin, it is a treasure that deserves recognition and respect. To those who may be skeptical about its value, let me assure you, this coin is not just another penny. It is a piece of history, a work of art, and a valuable asset. The 1959 no-mint mark penny has stood the test of time, and its worth continues to grow as more collectors recognize its importance. Do not underestimate the power of this small but mighty coin. In conclusion, the 1959 no-mint mark 1-cent penny is a true gem in the world of numismatics. Its historical significance, rarity, and potential for high value make it a coin worth cherishing. Whether you are a seasoned collector or a curious enthusiast, this penny is a reminder of the rich history and artistry that define American coinage. So, if you have one, hold on to it. It is a treasure that will only grow in value and significance with time. Next up, the 1969 no-mint mark 1-cent penny. This humble piece of copper may seem ordinary at first glance, but beneath its surface lies a story of rarity, history, and potential value that could make it a star in your collection. Let's dive deep into its history, its current worth, and why it could become even more valuable in the future. The year 1969 was a time of great change and cultural transformation in the United States. It was the height of the space race, the Vietnam War, and the counterculture movement. Amidst this backdrop, the U.S. Mint continued its work, producing coins that would one day become pieces of history. The 1969 penny, like its predecessors, features the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, designed by Victor David Brenner, and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, designed by Frank Gasparo. However, what makes the 1969 no-mint mark penny stand out is its connection to the Philadelphia Mint and the unique circumstances of its production. The absence of a mint mark indicates that this penny was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, the oldest and most prestigious mint in the United States. While Philadelphia-produced coins are often common, certain years and conditions can make them rare and valuable. The 1969 no-mint mark penny is one such coin. Due to lower mintage numbers compared to other years and the wear and tear that circulated coins endure over time, finding a 1969 penny in pristine, uncirculated condition is a rare and exciting discovery. Now, let's talk about its current value. The 1969 no-mint mark penny, especially in higher grades, is highly sought after by collectors. In circulated condition, this coin might not fetch a significant price, but in uncirculated or mint state condition, its value can range from $500 to $5,000 or more. For coins with exceptional qualities such as full red luster, indicating minimal exposure to air and handling, the value can soar even higher. In some cases, certified specimens in top grades have been known to sell for over $10,000 at auctions. This is a testament to the coin's desirability and potential for appreciation. But what about the future? Could the 1969 no-mint mark penny become even more valuable? The answer is a resounding yes. As time goes on, the number of high-quality specimens in existence will inevitably decrease due to natural wear, loss, or damage. This scarcity, combined with growing interest in coin collecting, could drive the value of this penny even higher. Additionally, its historical significance as a product of the late 1960s, a decade marked by profound social and political change, adds to its appeal as a collectible item. For those of you who own a 1969 no-mint mark penny, now is the time to take a closer look at its condition. Is it free of scratches, dents, and discoloration? Does it still retain its original copper shine? If so, you may be holding a coin that could become a valuable asset in the years to come. Even if your penny shows signs of circulation, it's worth holding on to, as its value could increase as the supply of well-preserved coins dwindles. To the collectors and enthusiasts watching this, the 1969 no-mint mark penny is more than just a piece of currency. It's a piece of history. It's a tangible connection to a transformative era in American history, and its potential for future value makes it a coin worth pursuing. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or simply admire this penny, it's a reminder of the enduring legacy of U.S. coinage and the stories that each coin can tell. If you're considering adding this coin to your collection, don't hesitate. The 1969 no-mint mark penny is a coin that combines historical significance with numismatic value, making it a standout piece in any collection. Its current value is impressive, but its future potential is even more exciting. As more collectors recognize its rarity and importance, the demand for this coin is likely to grow, driving its value even higher. In conclusion, the 1969 no-mint mark 1-cent penny is a coin that deserves your attention. Its historical context, rarity, and potential for future appreciation make it a valuable and meaningful addition to any collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, this penny is a treasure waiting to be discovered. So, keep an eye out for it, take good care of it, and who knows? It could become one of the most valuable coins in your collection. Next up, the 1982 1-cent penny. This seemingly ordinary coin holds a fascinating history, unique characteristics, and a value that might surprise you. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic adventure, the 1982 penny is a coin you'll want to know more about. Let's explore its history, its current value, and why it's so highly sought after. The year 1982 was a landmark year for the U.S. Mint and the 1-cent penny. It was a year of significant change as the composition of the penny shifted from being made primarily of copper to a copper-plated zinc core. This change was driven by rising copper prices, which made it economically impractical to continue producing pennies with 95% copper content. The 1982 D penny, minted in Denver, is particularly notable because it exists in both the older copper composition and the newer zinc version. This dual composition makes it a key date for collectors, as identifying the correct type can significantly impact its value. The Denver Mint, represented by the D Mint mark, played a crucial role in producing pennies during this transitional year. The 1982 D penny is part of a series that captures a unique moment in U.S. coinage history. Collectors are especially interested in the copper versions of this coin, as they represent the end of an era for the traditional Lincoln penny. The zinc versions, while more common, are still important for completing collections and understanding the evolution of the penny. Now, let's talk about its current value. The 1982 D penny's worth varies depending on its composition and condition. The copper version, being rarer and more historically significant, can command higher prices. In uncirculated or mint state condition, a 1982 D copper penny can be worth anywhere from $600 to $5,000 or more, depending on its grade and market demand. Even circulated copper versions can fetch a premium, often selling for a few dollars each. On the other hand, the zinc version is more common and typically holds less value, but it's still an essential piece for collectors aiming to own a complete set of Lincoln pennies. But what makes the 1982 D penny so desirable? Beyond its historical significance, this coin is a favorite among collectors because of the challenge it presents. Identifying whether a 1982 D penny is copper or zinc requires careful examination, often involving weight measurements or sound tests. This element of detective work adds an exciting layer to the hobby, making the 1982 D penny a coin that engages both novice and experienced collectors alike. Its dual composition also makes it a great educational tool for understanding the changes in U.S. coinage. The demand for the 1982 D penny is strong, particularly for the copper version. Many collectors are eager to add this coin to their collections, not only for its rarity but also for its historical importance. Online auctions, coin shows, and numismatic forums frequently feature listings for the 1982 D penny, with buyers competing to secure the best specimens. This high level of interest ensures that the coin remains a valuable and sought-after piece in the numismatic market. For those of you who may have a 1982 D penny in your possession, it's worth taking the time to determine its composition and condition. If you're lucky enough to have a copper version, you could be holding a coin that's worth significantly more than its face value. Even if you have a zinc version, it's still a piece of history that deserves a place in your collection. The 1982 D penny is a reminder of a pivotal moment in U.S. coinage, and its value extends far beyond its monetary worth. To the collectors and enthusiasts watching this, the 1982 D penny is more than just a coin. It's a piece of history. It represents a time of change and innovation in the U.S. Mint, and its dual composition makes it a fascinating subject for study and collection. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or simply admire this penny, it's a coin that offers both historical significance and potential financial reward. Its current value is impressive, but its future potential is even more exciting. If you're considering adding the 1982 D penny to your collection, now is the time to act. Its rarity, historical context, and the challenge it presents make it a standout piece that's sure to appreciate in value over time. As more collectors recognize its importance, the demand for this coin will only grow, making it a wise investment for anyone passionate about numismatics. In conclusion, the 1982 D 1-cent penny is a coin that deserves your attention. Its unique history, dual composition, and potential for future appreciation make it a valuable and meaningful addition to any collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this penny is a treasure waiting to be discovered. So, keep an eye out for it, take good care of it, and who knows? It could become one of the most valuable coins in your collection. Thank you for joining me today, and happy collecting!